The Kingston 32GB ECC REG DDR4 2666MHZ KTLTS4 2632G memory module is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their server's performance and reliability. This module is specifically designed for use in servers, offering enhanced error-correcting capabilities to ensure data integrity and system stability. With a speed of 2666 MHz, also known as PC4-21300, this memory module provides a substantial boost to your server's processing capabilities, ensuring smooth and efficient operation even under heavy workloads. This Kingston memory module is a DDR4 SDRAM, featuring a DIMM 288-pin configuration. The DDR4 technology offers improved performance and higher bandwidth compared to its predecessors, making it a crucial upgrade for modern servers. The ECC error-correcting code functionality is particularly valuable in a server environment, as it automatically detects and corrects memory errors, reducing the risk of data corruption and system crashes. With a capacity of 32 GB, this module provides ample memory for multitasking and handling large datasets, which is essential for demanding server applications. The registered REG feature further enhances the stability and reliability of the memory, making it an ideal choice for servers that require consistent uptime and high availability. Kingston is renowned for its high-quality memory solutions, and this module is no exception. It is designed for OEM-branded systems, ensuring compatibility and seamless integration with a wide range of server hardware. The memory speed of 2666 MHz ensures that data can be processed quickly, reducing latency and improving overall system performance. In summary, the Kingston 32GB ECC REG DDR4 2666 MHz memory module is a top-tier option for server upgrades, combining speed, reliability, and large capacity. Its error-correcting capabilities and registered design make it a dependable choice for maintaining data integrity and system stability in critical server environments. Whether you're upgrading an existing server or building a new one, this Kingston memory module is a valuable investment that will enhance your system's performance and reliability. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.